Hi everyone, it's that time of the week again here in Diamond Paintings with Mike. We have got another diamond painting unboxing from the wonderful app that is Temu. Now let's get into the package. This is quite a funny one because I have a bird whistle. Yes, you heard me right. I'm trying to get into this because I keep forgetting to bring in the scissors, but yes, we have a bird whistle in here, guys. So first things first, let's bring out the, yes, now Hannah's going to love this. Now, all through Valentine's, I've been looking for flamingo washi tape, and do you think I could find any? No. And then the minute Valentine's is over, they put bloody flamingo washi tape up. And this is going to be for Valentine's probably next year, but look at that flamingo washi tape. And it's a nice big chunky roll as well, so they must be listening, people, because as we know with Temu, it tends to be quite like thin tape. You don't get many on the roll, but look at the size of this. Thin, beautiful. Linda Carter in EastEnders would just so love that because she's got flamingos on her bedroom wall. She loves flamingos. And yeah, I thought that was perfect. So we're going to use that for our flamingo painting. The next thing that I've got is I want to show you this bird whistle. Okay, this is groovy, isn't it? Very sort of Halloween vibe here, Roxanne, with the colours. And yeah, this is a bird whistle, so I can't wait to play this. Oh, how'd you get into these things? I don't like cellophanes. Okay, so in here we have, does that pour, I've got a feeling that, oh my God, what does that do? Okay, hold your ears now if you don't want to play, but please be advised I don't know what this is going to be sounding like, so obviously if there's a high-pitched noise, you now need to leave the room. 3, 2, 1, you're back in the room. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's pretty crap. Okay, this don't work. Okay, we're getting a bit of action. So the idea is as you're blowing through there, you're supposed to move this and that makes the sound. So as you can see, if I was to blow naturally, but if I move this stick, I think that's crap. I don't like that. That is awful. So yeah, cheap crap from Temu as usual. As we know, it's full of junk. Because that, I'm not being funny, but that's pretty crap to be fair. But then I don't know how much I paid for it. I think I paid 80p for it. So yeah, a lot of their stuff from Temu is like junk that nobody wants, but we just for some reason buy it. But yeah, so this is the last painting I got. It is a 30x30 and it's been on my Temu basket for some time. Like I'm talking probably about half a year. Because I won't buy it unless it's at a great price, and having a fight with this to try and get this. Where's the opening on this thing? Oh, do you know what? I'm just gonna like poke a hole through it and do it that way because I don't think there's an opening on this. So yeah, this is an adorable little painting, and I think it's of a Highland cow or Aberdeen Angus, which is a very famous cow in Scotland. But inside here, people, we have a nice wintry one, and it is, are you ready? It's a little cow with all the little cute little rabbits, and I think we've got a bird here, a rabbit, a squirrel of some sort, but okay, yeah, the image is not great. I mean, it's nice, but it's a little bit blurred, isn't it? This is supposed to be the sun underneath with the flowers coming through, and then you've got that beam sun coming in this way. But it's supposed to be like up here. You can see it's like a little cow with their friends. So yeah, this is a very nice painting actually. It's quite, it gets the vibe like you need to have a hot chocolate while you paint it, because it looks just like a freezing cold day on this one. But I like it because it's got all the little snow, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous. The poor little cow is cold out on this snow here, but we've got 19 colours. Stick is good, yeah. And then yeah, I think that's really nice. So 30 times 30 with the cow and all his little friends. And as I say, it could be a Highland cow, it could be like a Aberdeen Angus, although Aberdeen Anguses tend to be brown. You can look on that cow bag that I did. I think that's an Aberdeen Angus. But that's that. Okay, let's take a look at our jewels. We've got our standard boat again. So I pretty much got loads of trays now, so I can get picking up again. And then in here we've got a pink and a blue, a grey colour, we've got a orangey sort of pink colour, that's really nice. An orange, a couple of greys there, dark grey and a light grey, and a peach colour, a brown, dark brown, a blue, a couple of purples, a pink, a purple, another pink, or a grey, chocolatey sort of colour, a chocolate, and a chocolate. Absolutely gorgeous. So really, really beautiful. So once again, in our unboxing in this one, we have this beautiful cow painting. See, again, I think if I was to do that custom that I showed you on that size, I think it is such a small sort of page. I don't think it will work very well. I think, you know, the face, if we pull that too much, the face is going to like swamp out a bit. So it would like just distort it even more. So I'm not sure whether a 30 times 30 is going to work for that custom. It's playing on my mind what to do with custom sizes. So yeah, I mean, if it was a tree, it wouldn't be so bad. But yeah, just looking at that, if I was to stretch the face, it could go horribly wrong. So and just look even more worse than the 20 times 20. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this. So we got this. What else did I get? I got this crap whistle that is supposed to replicate a bird. I think that's awful. Might give that to Teddy. You can play with it. And then we've got this gorgeous flamingo tape. So absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. And I will see you next time for another Temu unboxing. Until next time, ta-ra.